It's underway here, this match with Brunei.
Quite happy let crosses go in.
Sharian Abimanyu can't quite get there. Edo. Oh, that goes across the face of the goal. Oh, little tug there on the shirt. Hasn't really worked out there for Rizky. It's gone low. And the first save of the game is from Indonesia's goalkeeper, Nadeo. Sharian Abimanyu. It's a big deflection. Edo's shot, it will be a corner. Not one of their defenders on the pitch. Egi Maulana looked to shoot the first time, does have a second go. Spasojevic with 2 days in between matches. As the cross comes through, can get a clean strike on that one there, Sadil.
As they are doing here once more.
That's a delightful ball from Egi Maulana. Indonesia trying to pull forward, Spasojevic. And that's found its way into the bottom corner. Indonesia have their opening goal. Sharian Abimanyu. The assist from Spasojevic. Indonesia, let's see what they can do with this. Oh, that required a save.
At the angle on the pass.
Sadil. Good reactions there from Aimi. Dendi. He's just come across to this. Here's Edo. A little touch on, and as he was going down, smashing over. Onside. Won't get to Spasojevic, who really does cut a frustrated figure. Oh, lovely work. Sadil weaving his way through. Flicked in. Wafi does enough. Free kicks, first real opportunity here for Indonesia. Sadil. It comes off the bottom of the post. I wonder whether Jaime got a little touch on it. No. Yes, it did. In fact, I think, was that going to be a corner? Pocket of space for Dendi. He's going to go for goal. The wall just about does its job. Egi. Nice pass to his skipper. It's a teasing ball in. It's not cleared off the line. They've got their second goal. It's Sadil. Brunei looking across to the linesman for some help. The assistant not forthcoming.
Now with the extra man now, Indonesia. What a ball this is by Asnawi.
And here come Brunei. Shot straight at the goalkeeper Nadia, but look at the options that was open to Hakimi. Substitutions later on, they haven't made any at half-time, and here comes the skipper. That should be an easy, oh my word. Is that the miss of the tournament?
That could be the miss.
Sadil. Now Egi. That's a great save. There is the goal. First goal, the second half for Indonesia, and it's Egi. Just probably letting everything out now. He wanted that goal earlier. He's got it now.
He looks a bit frustrated with himself, even after he scored.
Oh, that's loose. It's straight at Jaime though. Cheeky attempt, and Spasojevic finally has his goal. Look what that means to him. He's absolutely desperate to get in their score sheet. And he finally gets his reward after really working hard for it. Another one was Brunei. Here comes Edo. Oh, heavy touch for him in the future. Here's Edo. Heavy touch on. Still alive though. Oh, that hits the post. Witan Sulaiman. Indonesia really going for this. Yaakob Sayuri has just put that on a plate for Ramadan Sananta. An absolute delight for him. He had a chance a little bit earlier on. And that's his opening goal for his country. Well, that has fallen very kindly here. Needed a better shot, didn't it?
Goal number 6.
Shots in. He does well, Jaime. He couldn't get back. There's a very ambitious effort there from Aswan. Inside. Yaakob Sayuri.
Try and get on the end of it.
Sadil. And the shot from Rafli. Indonesia. Here's Yaakob Sayuri. Clock. Oh, and Clock has got a goal. That's the Christmas present he was promising. He's delivered. And Indonesia have got their 6th as well. Lovely touch on there from Razimi. Horse-like performance today. Edo. And there is goal number 7. Yaakob Sayuri, who had a chance earlier. Oh, has that been ruled out? No. Oh, for a second he just paused there. He looked almost disappointed, but he can celebrate. It's the biggest win of this tournament so far. Too many sides can boast that kind of quality. Referee. Oh, I thought that might.
2 for 2 now. 6 points in the group. 7 goals on the night.